Welcome to my channel Learn with Titan Sir. Okay, so today's in this video the main topic is declaration. We'll learn about how to declare various things. Okay, data type of C programming and all those things. Okay, so let's see the contents. Okay, first one we should know about the very basic thing, that is character set. Now in C, what do you understand by the term character set? Character set means whatever characters, whatever digits, whatever numbers. Okay, numbers means digits. Then special characters, symbols, whatever we use for writing the C program are together known as character sets. Here you can see letters. Letters means small a to small z, capital A to capital Z. As you have seen in the previous video, I told you already that C is a case sensitive programming language. Okay, digits 0 to 9. Fine. White spaces, that means blank space. Tab, some special characters you can see here, all the simple addition, subtraction, hyphen, dot, comma, single inverted code, double inverted code, semicolon, equal sign, tilde sign, all these things comes under special character, and all together all these things we know as the character set of C programming. Okay, then token. Token means the smallest individual unit of a program is known as token. Okay, if we divide a program in small chunks of pieces, what after getting a piece which we cannot divide further, we'll call it as a token. Okay, there are several types of token in C programming. Okay, let's see. First one, keyword. Now, what is keyword? Keyword means the reserved word. Okay, reserved word means it has specific task for that particular compiler. Okay, that means certain keywords are there which will perform specific tasks whenever you will use those keywords. Okay, let's see few examples. If statement, conditional statement, for looping statement. Okay, int, float, these are the data types. Okay, so these are small few examples of keyword. Okay, next one is variable. Variable means identifier, whatever we use for storing the data values. Variable means the name which we use for storing the data values. Okay, for example, for us in case of Ram, Sham, so these are the identifiers by whom we can call someone, by whom we can, by what we can address someone. Okay, these are known as variables. Okay, for example, in A, here A is a variable and its type is int. That means A can store integer type of values, negative or positive. Okay, it can store only integer type of values, either it can be negative, positive, there is no problem. Operators. Operators are the symbols which carries out a task, and it is performed. It performs on operands. Okay, it works on operands. Suppose 2 plus 3, 2 and 3, these are two operand, and plus is the operator. Okay, we'll see afterwards. Also there are various types of operators are also there, we'll see gradually. Okay, then constant. Constant means the fixed values. It can be character constant, it can be numeric constant. Okay, any type of constant. It can be real constant, constant also. Okay, constant means some specific value. Okay, suppose 2 330 5.23 bv is a character string. Okay, string means sequence of character are known as string. Character means single character, only one character which will be written within single quotation. Okay, special characters already I have told you about the special characters. Okay, some symbols you can see here. Okay, a string, already I said sequence of characters are known as string. For example, whatever you write within quotations, in double quotation, it will be treated as a string. Okay, so these are so far about token of the C program. Okay, next is variable and is rules for defining, means how to define the variables. Okay, for defining variable we need to maintain certain rules. Okay, variable, already I told you about variable. Name used for storing values, any type of values. It can be string, it can be character, it can be integer, it can be float, it can be double, anything. Okay, there are certain rules which we need to maintain while declaring the variable. Now, each and every variable, whenever you will declare a variable, it must start with either a character or an underscore. Except this, you cannot start a variable. Like, you cannot start a variable with a digit. Okay, with digit you cannot start a variable. Like, you cannot write 2a. Okay, you cannot write 2a. 2a is not allowed, it is not allowed. but a2 is allowed. You can write int a2. This is allowed. Okay, a1 it is allowed. AC these are allowed. Okay, but what is not allowed? You cannot start with a digit, and variable name must not contain space. Already I told you in the previous video. Okay, and it must not be a keyword. In C you have 32 keywords. Okay, in C we have 32 keywords. Variable, so whenever you will declare any function name, any variable, it must not be a keyword. You cannot declare a variable as int float. You cannot declare float as a variable, and neither you cannot write int if. You cannot write this because this is a keyword. But again, you can declare like this: int if, capital if. You can declare this. Now why capital if is allowed? Because capital I and small I both are treated differently, as it is case sensitive. Now small if, this is the keyword, this is not a keyword because here I is capital. Okay, that's why it is allowed. Fine. Maximum length. Okay, whenever you will declare a variable, you can take maximum 31 characters to define a variable or a function name. But my suggestion is to always take at least number of characters to define a variable. Suppose int a. Okay, you don't need to take abc. Do not take more number of characters as a variable. Take single character as a variable. In case of function name, give one meaningful name. You want to find out the sum of two values, write sum like this. Okay, then already I told you that it cannot start with a digit, but it can contain digit afterwards. Okay, blank space, commas, these are not allowed. In special characters are not allowed, except underscore. Underscore is allowed. Okay, it is case sensitive. So already I told about case sensitive. Okay, now the most important thing about C programming is that at the beginning we have data types. What are the various types of values we can store, we can use in C programming? First one is derived data type. Derived data type means by combining other data types, we can create another data type. Okay, so these things we'll see afterwards. Now, what are the derived data types? Pointers, functions, arrays. Okay, these three pointer, function, arrays. These three we'll see in separate video. Okay, because these three are having three different chapters. Okay, in C programming, so we'll see. I'll elaborate all those things afterwards in the upcoming videos. Okay, then we have basic data types. That means inbuilt, whatever we can use. Now, in case of basic data type, first one is character, integer. Okay, float, double, we can use void. Void means nothing. Data type is not given, it will not return anything. Okay, void means nothing, empty, you can say. Then user defined data types. Okay, this one also I'll elaborate afterwards in the upcoming videos. Okay, you can see the various user defined data types are structure, union, enumeration, then typedef. Okay, typedef, with this one you can create constant also. Fine. So these are the data types available in C programming. Okay, basically we have three types of data types: derived data types, basic data type, user defined data type. These are again further classified. Okay, like pointer, functions, arrays, like this. Fine. So these are the main data types of C program. Data type means the type of value a particular variable can hold. Okay, this is known as data type. Fine. So thank you everyone for watching my video. If you like, then share my video, comment, also subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.